Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? I'm Aminur from New Tech, and PUBG Mobile just came out with their new release where you can use the Canted site, and unfortunately there is no keyboard shortcut to switch between the Canted site and your regular scope. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can switch between Canted site and a regular scope like this. And if you want to know how I did this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I posted these types of awesome new videos. And if you've done that, thank you so much, and let's get to this video started. Alright guys, so once we are here on the PUBG mobile game by using our emulator, the game looks like this till now because season 13 is not started yet, and we are set all this thing on the cheer perk because I only get the content side in the cheer perk only. If you got this in any other in any other map like Erangel or Sanok or any other map, just let me know. But I haven't get the content side in any other modes. So just content side. Yeah, this is the subject of today's video. And I'm just fast forwarding the video. So this video wouldn't get too long because I'm taking all this thing that I need to use in this game to show you guys. And yeah, comment down below your most favorite guns that you use in the game. So as you can see, this is the main scope and this is the canted side. So every time we want to switch between them, we need to press Ctrl and then use our mouse and press the side button on the screen. So it's not, it will make your game slower. It definitely will make your game slower. So just press the F11 button and press here. And once you click that, you'll get something like this. So as you can see, it's keyboard. Yeah, keyboard, and we don't want to mess with these things. You just need to press here. Just first of all, choose any button of your keyboard which is really easy to press while you're playing game. So I don't need this T every single time because I don't want to mute my game every single time easily. So I'm just removing T from there and left click here and just press T on your keyboard and just press the save button over here, and that's it. It's really easy. And when you're pressing T, it will switch between the main scope and candid side every single time. Yeah, we just changed that T button from muting the game. So as you can see guys, this is how easy you can set this up without any third-party application or blah 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 stuff like that. And you can also go to my Facebook page where I daily live stream. You can support there please. And until next time, assalamu alaikum and stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.